All right, so I just got my GoPro Hero 13 right here. We're gonna do a little unboxing video. Never did an unboxing video before, so let this be the very first one. So I'm trying to make this as, oh, don't wanna break it. I'm trying to make this as ASMR as possible. Ready? Bang, bang. Let's go. Okay. There we go, box down. Out around. I don't even know if this was used, refurbished, new. I really didn't look. It was just a good price. I got the bag, 2 battery packs, the GoPro Hero 13, and then a stick, all for $379, which wasn't horrible. So this is what we got right here. Bada boom, bada bang. Don't really care about this little piece of paper though. Give me the camera. Oh, it looks like we got the bag right here. Oh, whoopsie daisy. Screw this. It's like a Christmas gift. There we go. Put this little thing out the way. All right, so the Hero 13 Black. Got it right here. This will be a little bit later on. Maybe, not really. Bang. All right, here is the bag. This will be the quickest unboxing video you guys have ever seen. Boom, boom. So this is going to be used mainly for traveling. That's why I got the stick with it, because when I travel to places like Asia, South America, I just think it'll be really cool to have that setup. Oh, baby. So this is what I don't want to drop anything, but this is what we're looking at. So we got the number one, we got the stick, which is super cool. Looks like a really nice stick. So it looks like it goes on here. That's actually a really nice sturdy stick. I could use that. Okay, nice. Now it looks like here we have cardboard, cables. Okay. Ah! Looks like we got this little thing. And then 2. So we'll see. Those are 4. They look familiar though. Next up we got, oopsie daisy. We got a little screw thing. This looks familiar. A cable, USB-C to USB-C. Nice. And then here's the actual GoPro. Bang. That looks like everything in the box system. We're gonna toss that. We also got this. That looks familiar. Then we also got 2 batteries. Nice. That's gonna come in handy, especially when traveling. Oh, I had a horrible voice crack. Some instructions. We don't read these though. We got YouTube instructions. I'll keep them. Bang. Stickers. Nice. Card. This will come in handy. So this is an SD card, 64 gigabyte. So this will hold us off for now. But we are definitely going to have to get more. I have one on my camera too. Why not? We'll buy another one. This bag's really nice though. I like it. It has a little compartment here, and then it's just perfect. You know, have everything I need for my camera in one place. I could just literally put this in the pouch, the side pouch of my backpack. So this is going to come in handy. This looks really sexy. So now time for the camera. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is the whole camera right here. Okay, so we peel that off. A little ASMR. I should save this for last, but... Oh. Bang. What do you know? So here's the actual camera itself. This is perfect, though. Like, just by looking at it, this is all you really need. Peel this off. Nice. And then peel this off. Nice. There's the actual camera. This is perfect though. This is Actually perfect. Perfect, man. Perfect. So you could hold it. I could put it on the stick. You can also get some other stuff like chest mounts. You can get like a helmet, but this is pretty neat. So we got the bag, we got this. That's all I really care about. And then the stick. This is going to be perfect for traveling. I'm going to go all over Thailand with this. It's going to be awesome. I just hopefully can get a cover for this so I don't scratch anything on the lens or on the screen. And this also looks like something people would want to steal. So I just be careful with it. But yeah, that's my unboxing. Hope you guys like it. I'll let you know how I like the camera. This is definitely going to be used for like, you know, my trips, my travels, maybe just post it up at the office. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys want to see, but I got a lot of travel stuff on the way. So really stoked to have got this because it's going to be a huge asset to our travels. So love you guys. Thank you.